Alright, in this follow-up video, it's been 1 week since we added some sugar to water and we placed an intact banana in this jar and we sealed it up. And what we were exploring is the ability of alcohol to be fermented by the wild type of yeast that naturally resides on the banana peel. This is one way, for instance, to make jailhouse hooch, if you will. So I had already pre-weighed out an amount of volume. I just put it in the cup and then I obviously filled the cylinder here, and then I placed in our hydrometer, which again can give you a specific gravity reading. So a week ago we looked at this and the measurement was 1.1. Now, in looking at the measurement here, it's 1.102. So it hasn't really changed by much, but it has changed by an amount that equates to a 0.25% increase in alcohol by volume. So how did I get that? There's an expression that you could use, final minus initial specific gravity, or well, the absolute value of that, divided by 0.776, and then you multiply by 100. So there's a known expression. You use the hydrometer to be able to determine what that percent alcohol by volume is. So a 0.25% increase in alcohol by volume after 1 week with some sugar, with some water, and the intact banana peel demonstrates the ability of the wild type yeast to naturally ferment alcohol.